Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I clean and decorate the living room for Christmas. It's very exciting. It's always the fun time of the year where you get to decorate your house and make it feel cozy. So today I'm gonna show you how I clean and decorate my small living room. So I'll see you at the end. Hope you enjoy. So to begin, before I started filming, I just took out all the decorations that I already had in my living room. I stored them away, and now I just had all the Christmas items in the living room. And before I start mopping or sweeping the floor, I just like to put all my decorations and the Christmas tree up. And then you're gonna see me just sweep at the end. It makes it much more easier and I don't have to repeat it twice. When you have kids in the house, having white sofas, it's a challenge. So here you're going to see me scrub my couches. I'm just using hot water, some soap, and just a little bit of vinegar. And then I'm putting my elbow grease in there and just scrubbing my chairs down. And then I'm going to use a rag just to wipe it right after. When my son started taking piano classes, I knew I had to buy a piano, but I didn't want it to have a big piece of furniture that looks brown in the center of my living room, especially because I have a small living room. So I decided to buy a piano for him, and I took my energy and my strength and I painted the whole thing in white. And this is a piece that I love to decorate season after season. So you're going to see me just put some items on the piano top just to decorate it. My tier tray that you see at the end still needs some work. I still need to buy small items to fit in that, but you're going to see me just continue with the decorating with what I have in hand right now. The other area of my living room that I like to decorate is my fireplace mantle. So you're going to see me use a few items. Like I said, I like to stay as minimalistic as possible. I always feel like just a little bit goes a long way. So this is the final look of my living room. For some reasons, my camera stopped recording the part where I set up my Christmas tree. So I'll be making another video showing you how I decorate my Christmas tree. I'm hoping to make some DIY Christmas tree ornaments as well as DIY stocking holder for my mantle. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do a separate video showing a Christmas home tour, so I'll show you in that video. I'll show you the items a bit more closer, and then I'll also link to where I got some of the items if it's possible. If not, I'll let you know where I got them. So it's unfortunate that I missed the part where I took the Christmas tree out. However, I'm gonna show you how I decorate my Christmas tree in a video coming up soon. I hope you enjoyed this decorating session with me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. And if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. So stay safe, stay warm. I'll see you at my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.